para sa Cebuano Hotshot. Hoy! And let's go! In 3, 2, 1, go! Una, pasok. Pangalawa. Third, Moneyball. Pasok, 5 points para sa Cebuano Hotshot. Elbow. Hoy, pasok, 6 points, 8 points, Moneyball rack. No good in the first. Second one's good, 10 points, 12 points. The Cebuano Hotshot, 14 for Tonton. 15. And 15 points para sa Cebuano Hotshot.